And that will be on the 30th of August at 5 in the afternoon, Universal Time. The moon reaches the very beginning in Sagittarius, so it creates an opposition with Uranus, which triggers the energy of Uranus, the energy of change. You see, what needs to be changed is going to be changed. There is no doubt about that. The doubt is perhaps stemming from the type of change and how it is going to affect your life in other areas than the area where the change is going to be triggered. So that may make you a bit uncomfortable, but when you see the very nice configuration, which is a sextile with Pluto, when you see that Pluto is trine Uranus and sextile Saturn and Neptune, when you see that the moon is also trine Saturn and Neptune, well, to me, it represents an extremely potentially positive day and time to obtain the best. And the change may be the price to pay, or the change is the one that is going to produce that regeneration represented by Pluto and the potential to realize an ideal situation for yourself represented by Saturn and Neptune. Well, the moon is in discordance with the sun on that day, and the sun is in discordance with Uranus. So that means that you may feel quite uncertain, and it may also trigger a tendency to feel unwell. So there is that change. And if you accept it, even though it may be destabilizing and bringing a lot of questions in your life, more than answers perhaps, and answers may trigger more questions, it is a very potentially positive moment. So that means that the change has to be initiated. If you hold on, you can. Well, things may be much more easy for you, but not as rewarding. So it's once again a matter of choice, personal choice. But honestly, a lot of people are going to achieve great results. So be one of them. The next transit is when the moon traveling through Sagittarius will enter in Capricorn and create an opposition with Jupiter, which is here. So that's when the moon is about here in Capricorn, halfway through the sign. Let's have a look at that next.